Hi friends, hello, welcome to my channel. Please friends, one click and one like. Today my topic is the circulation of blood through the heart. Actually, in previous video I already explained regarding anatomy of the heart. In this video I will explain detail about blood circulation through the heart. Small request friends, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Move on to topic friends, circulation of blood through the heart. The blood comes into the right atrium from the body, then moves into the right ventricle and is pushed into the pulmonary arteries in the lungs. Here blood will be received from the right atrium through the body, from the body, right atrium to right ventricle. It will be through the pulmonary arteries, lung will receive deoxygenated blood. Okay friends. The next, then blood losses carbon dioxide means deoxygenated blood will receive lungs, then oxygenated blood will be through the pulmonary capillaries. The oxygenated blood will be enters into the pulmonary veins. Okay friends. Here third point is the pulmonary veins through blood enters into the left atrium, then from the left atrium through the mitral or bicuspid valve. Through the mitral or bicuspid valve, the blood enters into the left ventricle. Means after purification of means deoxygenated blood will be purified in the lungs. After purification, oxygenated blood enters into the through the mitral valve, left atrium to mitral valve, blood enters into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle through the aorta, systemic arteries, blood will be out of our body tissues. Means oxygenated blood will supply all over the our body. Okay friends, you can see the diagram of the heart and parts also. Through these parts only heart will receive blood and supply also. Here we will discuss about oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Means oxygen poor blood and oxygen rich blood. Oxygen poor blood enters into the heart from the body and it goes out of the lungs. Means for purification, oxygen poor blood will enters into the lungs through the superior vena cava and right atrium. We will discuss in circulation diagram. Next, oxygen rich blood. Oxygen rich blood enters into the heart from the lungs. After deoxygenated blood will be enters into the lungs. Then deoxygenation means lungs will purify the blood. Means deoxygenated blood to oxygenated blood will be enters into the lungs. Then all over the body will be rich blood. In this diagram we can see the lungs, picture of the lungs. Then lungs will carry the blood to the pulmonary veins. Blood loses the carbon dioxide and gains oxygen into the pulmonary capillaries. Then oxygenated blood enters into the pulmonary veins. Then pulmonary veins, through the pulmonary veins, left atrium will receive the oxygenated blood. Through the left atrium through mitral valve, the left ventricle receive the oxygenated blood. Then oxygenated blood will be enters into the aortic seminal valve. Through the aortic seminal valve, the blood will be enters into the aorta. Aorta will be distribute blood to the rest of the body. Means all over the body tissues. Then body tissues upload the oxygen, then lowers the carbon dioxide. The blood returns into the superior and inferior vena cava. The superior vena cava will be transfer the deoxygenated blood into the right atrium. We can see the blood circulation in our body. In this small clip, we can see the blood circulation all over the body. How is going on? Blood circulating is blood in our body. Then the right atrium through the tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve, the right ventricle will receive the deoxygenated blood. In this blood, blue color is the deoxygenated blood. The red color means oxygenated blood. We can see the circulatory system, means how is going the heart. Next we can see the over the body, means from the heart how we are receiving blood to the body tissues. Then the right ventricle will deoxygenated blood will enters into the pulmonary arteries. Through the pulmonary arteries, the blood will be carried to the lungs. That is the deoxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood will be enters into the lungs. Then purification will be done, and the purification blood after losing the carbon dioxide, the fresh blood will be enters into the pulmonary capillaries, then pulmonary capillaries to pulmonary veins. Same process will be done. This is the circulation of blood through the heart. In this video we can observe the circulation all to the, actually here I didn't mention, I will mention now also. The superior vena cava will supply blood to the upper part, means brain, our brain. The inferior vena cava will supply the blood into the our lower parts, lower. From the heart we can divide into upper part and lower part. For heart up position will supply the superior vena cava, will supply the blood into the upper system, means upper portion of the our body. Then lower portion of the our body will supply the inferior vena cava. Through the inferior vena cava we will receive the blood to the lower parts of the our body. This is the total circulation system of blood through the heart. Okay friend, thank you. Thank you so much friend, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon for further notification.